everybody, this is Lily
and Sophia,
and we are here today in Siletz Bay to do the Siletz Bay Splash. Welcome to Lily's Outdoor Adventure, guys. Stay tuned to watch us get wet. Holy moly, there is so many people here. Check it out, heck yeah. All of us crazy Oregonians are gonna jump in the water together. All right, everybody, say hi! Hi! From Lily's Outdoor Adventures. Hi, everybody! Hi, Sophie. Smile.
right there too.
Smile. Oh yeah, there is. Hang on. Hi, everybody. Oh, how cool. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. All right, guys, it's almost time. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Yeah. I'm so excited. Bring my hand. My legs are but I caught her, so here we are, we made it! My mouth's salty, how about yours?
No.
No? Alrighty guys, well this is Lily's Outdoor Adventures again with Mom and Sophie. Have a great day everybody. Check out the Siletz Bay Plunge next year and jump on in. Bye!